On the record.
So can you print your name and sign right here? It's just saying that I'm giving you $500. You can read it.
The bill of sale is going to be your receipt. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you have the $100 for the lights?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, you wish to pay the $100 for the lights now?
Yeah.
Okay, pay for the $100 for the lights.
I need you to sign this first.
This here is a receipt, okay? It doesn't have a VIN number, right?
No, it's just for the saying that I paid you $100.
Actually, oh well, the $100 here, okay?
Yeah.
It doesn't say for what.
It says
for the lights.
It says approximately 3 weeks ago I purchased a 1999 Land Rover for $500, which I paid cash. And it was sold off-road lights, which we both agreed that I pay $100 when I got paid.
For the lights.
Okay.
Today, December 1st, 2021, I paid the buyer $100 cash. So
Yeah,
you paid the buyer?
You.
I'm not the buyer.
No, how come you're asking
I'm
for
the
money?
seller. I'm the seller.
I mean, for the seller.
I'm the seller.
Yeah, seller. See, right there
See.
it says seller.
The
So
seller.
all I need for you to do is print and sign there, and he'll give you $100.
Okay. Here.
Okay? And he'll give you $100 right there. Is that your name?
Okay.
What's that? What did you write down?
That's my VIN number.
No, 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 no,
Okay.
no.
Hey, I'm gonna write the name,
No,
sir.
I want you to just sign there and then print. Print and then sign your name right there. That's all I want.
I'm gonna do that.
I don't need that. I don't need this. All this
I know
stuff.
you don't need it, but I do.
I don't know what that number is. I don't know what the number is.
UCC 1-308.
I don't. What's it for?
Well, you can go and look at it. Okay. UCC 1-308.
Come over here.
UCC 1-308. You have a problem?
No. I don't know what the number is here. He owes you $100. He owes you $100. This is a note saying he's going to pay you $100. Oh, I don't have nothing to do with this number.
I'm going to be straight. So whatever civil issue you guys are
No, I don't have
handling,
a civil issue. I just want him to sign this note saying that I'm going to pay him $100. That's all I want. That's all I want.
so if he doesn't, I can't lawfully make him sign anything he doesn't wish
Well,
to sign.
okay then. Okay.
Do you do if?
Take me to court then.
Okay, well,
No.
then I need to file a police report.
No.
I have
It's civil claims court, sir. It's not a law enforcement issue.
Okay, sure.
So with civil issues,
Sure.
we really don't have any involvement. So
Yeah.
I
I
can't,
don't-
by law, make him sign something he doesn't wish to
Well, he
sign.
don't have to sign it. I mean, you know, he wants his $100. He came over there. He's harassing this kid for $100. He's got $100 in his pocket. He wants to give him. He just wants proof that he gave him $100. That's all.
Yeah,
Just proof
okay.
that he gave him $100. End of story.
And the video will be proof that he gave me.
No,
$100.
I don't go videos here. I got a note here saying that you took $100 from him.
I will on video.
Okay.
You wanna pay for the
Well, sign it here,
$100?
and he'll give you $100.
I'm
Print
giving you-
and sign
I'm-
your name.
I need that.
I mean,
First
yeah,
sign it
okay,
first.
well, here
First
you go.
sign it. Right there.
He's getting upset about my
No,
my
I'm not getting
serial
upset.
number.
I'm not getting a serial number. I just need your print, sign, and that's all. He gives you $100, and we're all clean.
It's
Okay.
an autograph, sir. Okay.
Okay, it's
not
an
a
autograph. I
signature.
know
It's
what
an
it is.
autograph.
I know what it is. It's an autograph. Autograph. And then print your name right there.
Okay.
Print your name. That's all.
Jota.
Really easy. It's really easy to do.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I
Don't
was
be
gonna
difficult.
do this when you took the paper off my hand, sir.
No. You weren't. I was asking you till I called him.
This number here is part of my name.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. That's how it is. Stay so simple.
Okay.
Simple.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Now we're good. Give him $100. Count it. You got money? $250.
Now, may I have a word with you, sir? May I have a word? This is a separate issue in which I'm going to make a police report where the city came over with a city truck and bumped or backed up into my property. And the evidence is over there that they backed up into the property and they damaged the planter.
Okay, so when did this happen? So they're saying that they didn't hit it at all, or anything
I have
like
two people on video saying that they saw the city truck doing it.
A city truck?
Yeah, a city truck.
So, which people was it? Because everyone there said that they.
I have the video here. I can give it to you. Yeah, I can give it to you. Okay, the guy gives me his name, and the owner of this concrete company just say verbally that the city truck hit it. He doesn't want to go through his insurance because his insurance will go higher. I said, listen.
Well, so if it was a city vehicle that hit it, it wouldn't matter what insurance he has.
Well, yeah, I can see that point, yeah. But it is, if I came over, would you agree that if I backed up into that fire hydrant with my car and I damaged that and then I'm liable? Absolutely, right?
Yeah. So
okay,
I'm asking
now,
the information for the report. I'm not saying
by the same token, well, I need to make a police report because if he doesn't pay, I'm going to go through my insurance and I will have my insurance deal with him.
Okay.
Okay.
So when did this happen?
They acknowledge this. This happens 2 days ago.
Like,
2 days ago.
Because if I just go off they, I can't write that in the report. They told you. So
I have him on video, sir. And this is the owner of of this concrete company. And I have him on the video. Sure, absolutely.
756.
You can call the owner of the concrete company to be here.
Can you open my call and come out already, please?
And I know you enforce city ordinance. And city ordinance says that any damage occur to private property within city limits, it is your jurisdiction. Is that correct?
What do you say?
Nothing, I got it. Don't worry.
Is that correct? City ordinance says...
just so you understand, I'm a state certified officer, so I do state statutes as well. So it ultimately just depends on what's going on. So with something like this, you wouldn't charge them with a crime necessarily. It would be a crash.
No, I'm not saying that it is a crime. I am saying that it is damage to my property, okay?
That's what I'm saying. So it would just be a crash report. That's all.
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
so
yeah, absolutely. I'm not going to argue with that fact that is it or is not a crime. That is not for me to decide.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm just trying to get the information.
Oh, and I thank you very much for bringing it into the record. You are so kind, and I appreciate it. Excuse me?
Do you have your ID on you so I can get the information?
Under what authority, sir? Under what authority you can card anyone? I don't have no ID. I can tell you who I am. I can tell you who I am. Okay. I can tell you who I am.
It's just easier that way, so I know who I'm dealing with. So
well, okay, then let me get it for you, okay? Let me get you a document
like I said,
that shows... Yeah, let me show you a document that shows who I am and who is making this report. Okay, then let me get it for you, okay? Absolutely. Yeah, I need to get my my document here. Here, can you hold this, please?
They were the most professional people I've ever met. Really, they were, exactly. They were some of the most professional people.
blood cell counts that may result in severe infections. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including breathing problems, elevated chest pain, a change in your heartbeat, dizziness, yellowing of the skin or eyes, dark urine, tiredness, loss of appetite, abdomen pain, bleeding, bruising, fever, chills, or other symptoms of an infection. A severe or worsening rash.
Thank you.
Got it. Do you have your ID, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. First name is Jesus, right?
No.
Is that so? What is your first name?
J.
J. You don't have. That's just the full thing.
Yes, sir. Everything like it is to wit. J. Dot column. You're missing the column. J. Dot column. I can write it down for you. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can take a picture of the document. It doesn't matter.
Let me just write it down.
Say, okay. J. Dot column. Column.
Okay. So what do you mean by
Let me
column?
see.
There's no column.
Column.
So I put
There,
the
here,
dot.
let me see. There is now column. Okay. Column. Jesús. Hyphen. Arriaga. Column. Avonce.
Okay.
Just like it is right there.
And you're the homeowner here?
This is not a home, sir. This is chapter 1308 for the National American Red Cross. For the record.
Okay. So this isn't your property?
Excuse me?
So this is city property or what property?
The National American Red Cross chapter 1-308. Okay?
All right.
1308.
What's a good phone number for you?
I don't have a phone number.
You don't have a phone number?
I can give you an email address.
Is it just
Everything
gonna
shall be on writing.
Don't you have it written on here?
No, I can give you my email address. See, I don't have a phone number.
It should be fine with that.
Okay,
phone number.
no problem.
Here's your paperwork there. You know your
So
date of
now,
birth?
Avonce.
Do you have your phone number?
Avonce.
I wrote it down.
Yeah, okay.
But what's your phone number? Date of birth.
I wish to remain silent.
Okay. So like I said, this isn't a criminal matter. I'm
Yeah.
not. I'm not
I don't
asking
know.
for
I don't know
criminal
my date
investigation.
of birth, sir. I
Okay.
don't know my date of birth. That's for the record.
That's
and plus,
perfectly fine. Like I said,
and plus,
Dan's-
let's say that I give you a date that I am not quite positive. You know, it'll be hearsay, and I don't want to bring anything on the record that it is hearsay.
That's
okay?
perfectly fine. So that's standard protocol when you write a report. You just ask those questions. If you don't wish to give me those at this time,
Yeah.
that's perfectly fine. So when
No,
was the
I
planner
wish-
hit at?
Excuse me.
I said that's perfectly fine if you don't want to give me your information. I'm not.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm not arguing with you. I'm
Sure,
just,
no problem.
That's the standard information. Most standard citizens just give me their.
I'm
ID,
not a citizen.
and that's perfectly fine. So I'm just telling you that's basic. Whenever my sergeant asks me to write a report, we always get the
Yes, sir.
information for the reporting party. That's as
Well, you can
complex.
put over there that this is chapter 1308 for the National American Red Cross. I can write it down for you. Okay.
So I'm just gonna write the address for the city because
There is no address. Okay. There is not an address
It
here.
has to be addressed because it's on.
Yeah,
my
there
assets.
is not an address. This is a separate property. This is private property, okay?
It is private property.
It is
yes.
private
That is
property,
what I
and
agree.
therefore there is no address. I'm telling you for the record that this
Okay.
is not an
So as
address
far as,
or
like,
a
the
residence.
City goes, I will put the address here.
This
so they
is
know
the
where I'm talking
National American Red
No,
Cross,
and I'm
chapter
saying that.
1308 for the record,
about.
sir.
Okay, so I understand.
Okay.
So when was the planner hit?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah,
You know what
2
time?
days ago in the morning.
In the morning? Do you know what
Yeah,
time?
in the morning, early morning. I saw early morning, and I cannot give you a day, an exact hour.
Okay.
That's the
perfectly
bottom
fine.
line,
I'm just
okay?
that's
Yeah.
a standard question I gotta ask.
See, all these planters are perfectly fine set on the ground. And as you see, the damage on that planter, it was pushed with the truck and it was damaged.
Did you hear it get hit or anything like
Yeah,
that?
oh,
So you heard it?
absolutely. Yeah, you hear that, you know, something happened, right? Because
So
it
you
will
heard
make
it,
some
you came
noise.
out, did you see a truck? at all or
Yeah,
anything?
yeah. Well, they were gone, and I noticed
So you didn't
this. So
see who
when I know that there was nobody around, I went across the street.
So you
to
didn't
the
see
park.
what truck hit it or any
I
truck?
asked the guy, and he came over verbally on video, stated that he saw the city truck hitting this planter and leaving.
Okay. So do you have that video so I can view it as well? Because they're saying that they didn't hit the planter.
I have that video that I wish to send to you to the attention of the police
That's
chief.
perfect.
the police chief.
I mean, you can send it to the chief, but you can also send
I'm going
it
to post it on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to send it to him via email. How about
That's
that?
perfect.
Okay.
So here's my email, and that's my card.
Absolutely.
So you're requesting a report, correct?
Yeah, I'm requesting a report that essentiates the insurance and the facts that this is damage and who did it, because I'm going to go file a report under my insurance, and I will let my insurance deal with them.
Okay, so just so you understand, as far as the report on what I'm going to write.
I don't understand, sir. I don't understand, because if I understand anything that you say, I will be committing perjury. I don't know what you're saying, okay? I don't know what you're saying, because I don't speak the same language.
I'm not trying to make you commit perjury.
Sure.
So as far as what I'm just gonna say so as far as the planner being damaged, at this point we don't know who hit the planner, so I can't write in the report.
It is on the video that I'm sending you.
Until I see the video, I can't.
Yeah, well, then you will be seeing the video where they say, where the witness states verbally that he saw it with his own eyes.
Okay, sir. So
he witnessed.
Just send it to my email, so then I can review it, and then we'll go. And then I can change the report.
Absolutely.
But as far as like if me writing the report today, I can't write that because.
Here, I'm gonna send you 2 videos just now. Okay, it'll take me a couple of minutes to upload it, and I'm gonna direct you to come and witness the evidence as it's being introduced for the record. Yeah, and to the attention of the Honorable Nathan Gurule, who is the Chief of Police, and tell them that this happens on the National American Red Cross, Chapter 1308, which is where you stand. 1308 National American Red Cross.
Okay.
This is not a regular residence, okay? I'm humanitarian personnel, humanitarian cargo for the National American Red Cross. So I'm not a citizen, okay? Please acknowledge that I am not a citizen, and therefore I am not under the city ordinance by the facts presented.
So can I just give you just some information just so you understand from the city? So I was speaking to the street personnel, so the people that you were talking to across the street. Like I said, you can record me.
Yeah, no problem. I just want to secure the record.
We've already talked before. We talked down the street when you had you're talking about a POW, I remember?
Yeah, I'm a POW. I'm a prisoner of war.
It was a different situation. Okay. So as far as what the city was telling me, this sidewalk and where your planners are positioned, that's on city property, not on your current property.
The city doesn't have any title to the land, and therefore, this controversy, the controversy is hereby rejected, okay? Because the city doesn't own title for the land, so it will be unfair for me to claim that that is not my land if I don't have the title.
So, like I said, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm just telling you just as far as what I was told by them. As far as the sidewalk being a public access, where people access it.
No, I'm not part of the public either, sir.
But so I'm saying this sidewalk. So this sidewalk is not your property, correct?
This is for the public. I don't belong to the public.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So everything in your yard, that's your property. But from what they're telling me from the city, that they're talking about removing these planters because they're not this is on city property. Just so you have a heads up, just so you understand. So I'm going to talk to my sergeant about that specifically, because technically if it is city property, it's hard to kind of dispute kind of how it goes right there. So I'll talk to him about that.
Do you wish to withdraw your statement? You're claiming here for the record that the city of Los Lunas owns this land, and the land has no title. How can the city of Los Lunas will have the title for that land?
I'm saying about on the sidewalk.
Yeah, that's land also, okay? Now, this is part of my property, sir. Okay.
So, like I said, I was giving you a courtesy. I was just telling you that.
That's
just so you understand that. I'll notate that.
Thank you for bringing it into the record.
Yes, sir.
But you need to acknowledge that this report is in regard to what the damage they did to my property.
Yeah, and like I told you, I was
now I'm gonna send you this I'm gonna send you this videos so that you will have the evidence that I just stated for the record. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day. Bye now. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now. 3, 2, 1.